Hey guys, I'm Mr. Boyer and I'll be teaching you science for the architects. I'm going to take you for a walk in my room. We'll see what we're going to do this year. So my room's 603 in the middle of the hallway on the left hand side, and we got kind of 4 different units in science. So our first unit, which will last the whole first quarter, is on waves. Woo! Not really ocean waves, although we'll definitely talk about those. But the types of waves that we're going to be studying are light and sound. Ooh. Light. And we'll also study the parts of the eye that help us to see. And we'll study some sound. Also the parts of the ear that allow us to hear. In the second quarter, we're going to move on to studying matter. And matter's like what makes up everything that we can see and touch. Not light, but we'll be measuring things, finding the density of things, talking about properties of different types of matter. And then we'll spend a lot of time on things like heat transfer. It's a hand boiler, if we can get it to boil. What? Third quarter, we're going to move on to Earth and space. So we'll be studying like the sun, Earth, and moon relationship, planets in the solar system, some space exploration. And then we'll finish up with rocks and soil in third quarter. And then lastly, when we move into the end of the year, we'll be studying plants, ecosystems, how different organisms are interacting with each other. And that'll finish up our year there. So we've got a little bit of physics in first quarter, some chemistry in second quarter, and then in third quarter we have earth science, and in fourth quarter is the life science unit. Everything we're going to be doing is using Canvas pretty much. So this is my Canvas page that you'll get used to coming to. I've got a Bitmoji page, and everything you can kind of click on to get to different things. The 2 things I really want to show you are the things you'll be using the most are Microsoft Teams, where we'll be meeting. So if we click on that link, it'll pull up this list, and you would click on your class period to join the class on our meeting times, which you'll hear much more about. And then the modules, which I have not built out the modules yet. We're just getting back to work, but the modules are going to be for accessing the links and documents and assignments that you have to do after we meet on Microsoft Teams. So that's a little look at what we're doing this year in my class. It's a crazy start to the year. My room is just feeling weird as everything is just boxed up, and I'm not preparing to have students come into the classroom, but still I'm excited about teaching science. Hopefully we can find some ways to do really cool things virtually, and try to make it just as good as it would be in my classroom. But just wanted to stop and share a little bit with you and tell you science rocks. Peace.